I'm very strong. I'm the bulldozer. I'm an expert at pushing the dirt. Dump truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer. We're Super Truck Team. We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for challenges. Hi. Where's the Super Truck Team needed? Let's check it out. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off. Let's complete the tasks. Train station construction. Excavator. Bulldozer. Concrete mixer. Road roller. Road roller. Transform. Super Truck Team, let's set off. Come and complete the task with me. Let's go. You're finally here, Truck Team! Come with me! A train station needs to be built here! Truck Team, can you complete this task? No problem! Super Truck Team, let's get to work! Before building the train station, construct the foundation first. I'm the bulldozer. I can clean up the mess on the ground. I'm a concrete mixer. I'm here to lay the concrete. Road roller. Compact the road until it is level. I'm the strong crane. I'm here to hoist the waiting room. Finally, let's build the railway tracks. I'm a dump truck. I'll help lay the stones first. I'm the excavator, and I'll lay the tracks first. I need to attach an agile grapple. Let's lay the ties now. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
The ties can secure the rails by supporting them.
Ooh.
Then assemble the rails.
Woohoo. Woohoo.
And fasten the screws on the rails. Yo-ho! The rails are completed! We can hoist the train on the rails! What a stylish train station! Thank you so much, Truck Team!